The importance of impact thresholds on entrances designed for extreme conditions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the importance of impact thresholds on entrances when designing for extreme conditions such as storm surge or storm-driven rain and rising waters, two important factors to consider in regions vulnerable to hurricanes. Another product you might see in a hurricane area is some type of a door threshold, an active threshold that is designed to stop storm surge or rising water. The threshold's in place, but the adapter on the interior of the door is active. It does not remain in place all the time. It is one that you have to manually apply when a storm is coming. But this type of an adaptive product allows an entry to provide a level of performance against water coming in, being driven by a storm in advance of a hurricane or stormwater flooding to the interior. But again, it's not a passive product. In the event of a storm, it has to be applied in order to provide protection to the interior. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.